And guilty on all counts. We are live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse as a jury convicts 5 men in the murder of a 4-year-old girl.
And that is where we do begin here tonight in Hillsborough County, in that courtroom where 5 men today have now been convicted of murder. Thank you for being with us tonight. I'm Paul LaGrone.
And I'm Lauren St. Germain. This is a major update in the case of 4-year-old Suni Bell. She died in a drive-by shooting in Tampa. Tampa Bay 28 reporter Jada Williams has been following the trial for more than a week now. She joins us live with the verdict and reaction from her family. Jada, what's the update?
So all 5 of those men who were facing the charges for killing Suni Bell were found guilty of first-degree murder. And when that was read out in court, some of the loved ones for those men had to run out of the courtroom. You could hear their sobs from outside of the door. So obviously a very emotional situation. But on the other side, Suni Bell's family said that they felt relief. I got a chance to speak to Suni's mother. She said that she doesn't wish bad on anyone, but in this case right here, she says that this has made her feel a little more comfortable. It took a while for the jurors to come back with the decision. They deliberated for about 7 hours yesterday, came back this morning, and took about another 6 hours or so to deliberate. And I asked her, how did it feel in all of those hours waiting to see what the jury would say? Here's what she told me.
It was a lot. Like, I thought I had to bring my pillows and my cover here. Like, it was a long process, but we waited. I believe in God, so I knew God was going to make a way.
You're going to be held accountable if you commit a crime or if you participate in the commission of a crime, which is what these 5 defendants did. They worked together. They were found guilty of conspiracy to commit murder. They're going to be held accountable, and that's exactly what happened here today. They're going to be sentenced to mandatory life sentences in the Florida State Prison. Life is life in the state of Florida. There is no more parole here. They will spend the rest of their lives behind bars in the Florida State Prison, and that sentence will come down on October 27th.
All right, and that was State Attorney Susie Lopez, who was explaining what is next for those 5 men. As you heard her say, that means a mandatory life sentence. Now, there was the opportunity for them to be sentenced today, but the defense attorneys did ask the judge for a pre-sentencing trial, so that is now scheduled for October 27th at 8:30 in the morning. But again, as you heard the state attorney say, there is a mandatory life sentence for those men. I'll send it back to you, Paul and Lauren.